HeatMap Theme Pro supports the WordPress header manager, so I'm just going to show you how you can actually use that to replace the header image that's on HeatMap Theme Pro by default. Okay, so we're going to head into the dashboard and we're going to head down to the appearance menu and we're going to click on header. So that you can see this is where you set up your custom header, but before we want to do that, what we need to do is head into the heat map options and then we just got to activate that. So we'll click on header and then activate custom header. If you don't activate it, then you'll just get the default header. Okay, we'll save that and now we'll head into the header manager and go looking for an image which will be the background for our header. So if we click on browse, and I've got one that I prepared earlier. It's a JPEG image and it's 980 pixels wide by 110 deep. I'll click on open and then upload. And you can see it's uploaded that now. So let's have a look how that comes up when we just save our changes and have a look at the blog. And so now you can see I've got my header and it's sitting nicely behind my demo ad here. So pretty easy to change your header and add a little bit of a personalized touch to your HeatMap theme blog.